Guys, this is another quick video now learning you how to delete Google Pay activity. So first thing you need to do is go to myaccount.google.com. So when you go there, you will log in, and from this home page you need to go to data and privacy. Then scroll down until you see this and go to my activity. On my activity page, you can see all your activity down there. Click on these three dots and select delete activity by. You can specify the time period you want to delete, and when you are ready, so just like always, and here you can decide what you want to delete. You can of course select Google Pay or wallet here too. I hope this helped you, and subscribe for more useful tips.